How to pin someone on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually pin someone on Snapchat on your Android phone. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, there was not the pin option on Android previously, and it was only available for iOS users. However, Snapchat has actually updated this feature. So first of all, you simply want to open your App Store, and in the search box you want to type in Snapchat, and then make sure you have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, because this is actually a new feature, and if you don't update the app you could not be able to see the option. Go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. After you update Snapchat, you want to simply open Snapchat on your phone and make sure that you're also logged into your account. After you're logged in, you can see that this is how the home interface of the Snapchat app is going to look like. Now what you want to do is, from the bottom left hand side of the menu, you want to simply tap on the chat screen or the chat icon. Once you tap on the chat screen, you'll be able to see a list of your friends. Near here, what you want to do is simply long press on the chat of whose conversation you actually want to pin. So simply long press on the chat. Once you long press here, you'll be able to see multiple options such as managing your friendship, chat settings, storage settings, privacy settings, and so many more options. So what you might want to do is simply tap on the button that says chat settings. So go ahead and tap on the chat settings button. As you tap on chat settings, here you will see this new option called pin shortcut to home screen. So this is actually a new feature released by Snapchat apps for the Android users. So you can go ahead and simply tap on pin shortcut to home screen in order to pin this conversation to home screen, and you can simply add this to your home screen right over here. Once you add it to your home screen, now we are going to tap on done and then come back and then check. You can see that we have actually successfully added this shortcut to our home screen. Now if you tap on it, it's simply going to open the conversation which you have sent. So this was the way on how you can very easily pin someone on Snapchat on Android. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts regarding this, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.